This is why you should go for $1 million. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you are somebody who is looking for a way to make money online, if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing, interested in network marketing, and you haven't joined Nexus Snap yet, what is you doing? Nexus Snap is a new network marketing opportunity in the cashback and savings industry, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There's a whole bunch of reasons why Nexus Snap is so dope, but one thing that stands out and a lot of people is talking about is their compensation plan. All right, now, whenever you take a look at this program, when you take a look at Nexus Snap, please take out some time to check out their compensation. Like, really look at it. They actually got a flip book on the website that you can actually click on it and you can just like play like a little audio and it walks you through the compensation plan. When you actually look at that plan and process it, you'll be like, damn, like I gotta do this. Whenever you bring somebody into Nexus Snap as a premium member, you're going to get a $25 fast start commission. That's a one-time commission. Boom, that's great. All right. Now, of course, after that $25 fast start commission, you're going to be making money from that personal referral. And then you're going to be making money from their referrals and their referrals and their referrals. You understand how it works. Now, another reason why I feel Nexus Snap is blowing up so big is because of its mass appeal. This is one of them opportunities that you pretty much can promote to anybody because Nexus Snap is all about saving money, getting cash back, building a monthly income, like all of that stuff that your average person would be interested in. If you decide to promote Nexus Snap on YouTube, which I always recommend people who join my team do, you know, I always throw out, hey, are you into YouTube? If they say, nah, I don't mess with YouTube, I'm like, all right, well, here's some other options. But the first thing I tell people to do is jump on YouTube. And if you decide to jump on YouTube, when you start creating content, you need to have the mindset of 1 million views. Now, you can have a mindset of having one video that gets 1 million views or a whole bunch of videos that equal 1 million views. The bottom line is go for 1 million views. Why am I saying go for 1 million views? All right, now this is how I think. All right, so if you got a video out there, and we'll just go with one video, and somehow it got 1 million views, all right? And you pointed people, you directed people to your link in your description that takes people to Nexus Snap. Now, just because the fact that Nexus Snap has such a mass appeal, and when people actually take a look at Nexus Snap and all of the benefits and the earning potential, a lot of people are going to join this opportunity if they see it. So let's be real, all right? Now, if you have 1 million views, everybody is not gonna click on your link in the description, right? Now, let's be honest, the majority of people that watch your video is probably not gonna click on that link unless it's a very highly targeted video. Now, let's just say you had a 1% conversion rate. And we'll take it to the point of saying that 1% of 1 million views actually clicked on the link and decided to join Nexus Snap. Now keep in mind, 1%, 1%, that's nothing, all right? So at 1%, you're gonna get the $25 fast start commission, all right? So what is 1% of 1 million? I'll tell you, I say it a time. It's 10,000, all right? So 10,000 times $25 is how much? That's right. I know this shit hard to believe, but that's $250,000 just off of fast start commissions. All right. So, all right, you might be like, all right, 1%, all right, whatever. Let's just cut that shit in half. Let's just say 0.5%, 0.5% of people converted off of your 1 million views. All right, so let's break that down. 0.5% of 1 million is 5,000 people. All right. So 5,000 people at $25 fast start commissions. Damn it. That's $125,000, right? Now you're probably like, man, this is far-fetched. This is unrealistic. Why? Why is that far-fetched when we live on the internet where you see videos with 100,000 views, 500,000 views, a million? You see channels, right? Think about it. You see YouTube channels with millions of views. So why is this unrealistic? And to be honest with you, this is how a lot of people are making that crazy money that you hear about people talking about. This is how. Because they have affiliate links in their description and people are clicking on them and making purchases. All right, so let's go back again to the 1 million views. And because I know a lot of people is gonna be like, dude, I can't fathom that whole 10,000 people thing. So let's just stick with the 0.5% conversion, 0.5%, which is 5,000 people and $125,000 fast start. Now, do you have any idea of what your monthly earning potential is if you had 5,000 personally sponsored people in Nexus Snap? The earning potential behind that is absolutely just ridiculous. All right, you don't believe it? Just look at the compensation plan that Nexus Snap has, and then let your imagination run wild. Now I'm gonna keep it all the way real. If you're doing YouTube, you're probably gonna do videos, you know, that get 20 views, 50 views, 100 views, right? A lot of my videos talking about Nexus Snap only got 60 views, 80 views. All right, that's fine, right? And I'm building a team off of these little ass views. Like, people are actually joining my team. So my mindset is keep going. I ain't stopping. You know what I'm saying? I want a million. I want a million view video, or I want a group of videos that equal 1 million views, because I am very confident that if I can get that 1 million views to see this opportunity, that at least 0.5% are going to join Nexus Snap. So you are either one of two people. You're either the type of person that's like, man, this dude crazy. Ain't no way I can get 5,000 people to join, 10,000 people to join Nexus Snap, right? Or you're the type of person to be like, yo, I'm going for 2 million, right? I'm going for 5 million views, because I want to bring in 10,000 people. I want to bring in 20,000 people to Nexus Snap. And if you're that type of person, that's the type of person I want on my team. So click that link in the description and I will see you on the squad.